Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, you name it. So today's video we're going to unbox our February box charm. I am a little late on this box. I have the box for a little while now, but I've been so busy lately, so finally I get time to. So before we get into unboxing our February box charm, I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So February box charm theme is Be My Clementine. Yes, please. Alright, so this box is full of goody stuff. If you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription where you pay a small amount of money, like $27, and you get 5 size great brands beauty product, makeup, skincare, some little tools here and there. Or you also have the option for premium or for luxe, that's a cutter box for a little bit more. We're gonna have the info in the description of this video for Boxycharm, the links if you guys decide to give them a try. So let's dig into this video because it's so hot under these lights. Alright, so the first product in February Boxycharm is the AC Beauty Glow Essential Highlight Palette. This is the palette here. The AC Beauty Glow Essential Highlight Palette is all you need to get your glow on. Each shade is buildable and easily glides on the skin, giving you a seamless glowing look. And this palette retails for $40. Show you guys what the palette look like out of the box. Alright, so let's go to our next product. Our next product here is gonna be OPV Beauty Lucid Setting Powder, and this is the powder over here. This setting powder is so beautiful, so fine milled. I really love the outcome of this powder. Perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone, whatever you rely on setting powder for mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse. These formulas act as a finished touch to bring your whole look together. And this beauty here retails for $22. A great price for a powder because it actually is really good. I absolutely enjoy this powder. And our next product here is gonna be Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. Is this beauty here. This primer is perfect first step to achieve a superfood glow infused with 8 superpower skin loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. The lightweight setting sheen formula creates invisible skin perfecting finish, and this beauty here retails for $35. Very nice primer, I really enjoy it. And our next product here is going to be AUTHORIZED multitasking 4-in-1 makeup brush. Yes, so that is the box of the brush here. Alright, award-winning multitasker brush combines with 4 most essential makeup applicators, include a sponge, a blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fiber, and this beauty here retails for $28. That's a great price for a nice on the go brush. I really love this. This is perfect for keeping your bag, on your everyday makeup bag. You save 4 brush space. Yes. Alright, so our last but not least here is going to be the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. Oh, this is so delicious. There you have it. This rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with a juicy pineapple fragrance, exfoliating sugarcane crystal to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus a ultra smoothing blend of fine botanicals. The super gentle buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus a ultra smoothing blend of fine botanicals, the super hydrating coconut oil, and the aromatic mix of cinnamon and orange and vanilla essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. And this beer here retails for $23. And this should wrap up February Boxycharm. Be my Clementine. She's super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video unboxing, and the premium video should be coming up soon too. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and link is gonna be in the description of this video for Boxycharm. See you later. Bye.